Sometimes when you're walking in the factory suburbs like these, you can find some good cars. Like for example, this Bentley Continental.
So it's a new model.
Here are a couple of Range Rovers, like 1 and 2. I'm not sure which one to choose, the black, or maybe
the black one.
And here are the interiors. It's also black. Oh, it's black and white. So it's probably it's standing for a while here. Yeah, the Bentley. Yeah, and the wheel. Yeah. And Range Rover and Audi RS3 with black rims and silver mirrors. So here's the interior. So I think it's an older version. That's not RS3, that's S3.
And there is also a blue Bentley. The blue Bentley. Pretty cool rims like here. Yeah.
Nice rims, nice paint, and the white interior inside. And here's my favorite car in these Suburbans. You won't guess what it is because it's a Dalmatese. Yay! It's black and white and cool rims and carbon fiber hood. Yeah. The funniest part is that all these great cars and expensive cars are like few meters behind these old buildings. So here it is. I guess if you're wondering where to find great car, you probably should go at the backyard of some factory and then you will find it out. And here's a good example of a mini Countryman.
Oh man, that's actually not Countryman, that's Clubman.
So great example of mini Clubman. And I don't know why the mini badge is right here, but the handles on the trunk, they're great. Here's the front of it. Yeah. And it's actually
Mini Clubman GP Works,
right? Yeah. Car costs like a lot. The car costs the same as a flat in some city in Russia. So yeah,
somebody sold his flat and he bought him a car.
And here's the tuned version of Toyota Hilux. It is ready for a very heavy off-roading. Yeah. And here is a very classic Mercedes S-Class from the 90s. It's a W140. Here's the front of it, and the number plates is very expensive. And if a Mercedes is not enough for you, here's a Lincoln Town Car stretched. Here's the back of it. It's a town car because it's a perfect car for a town. Yeah, it's not very long, as you can see. So that's a special anti-water system, anti-rain system here. Here's the inside of it. And here is an old Volkswagen Transporter. And with the giant horns on the roof. And somebody's very aggressive driving in, because here is a boxing thing. It has a high roof, and it is a strange color. And here how it looks on the back. And it's Dare Racing. So here is a Dutch Challenger.
Yeah, nice. Yeah, brum, brum, brum.
And some new truck. It's a truck which carries one tire. Yeah, so here's a tire, and it is so heavy. It is so heavy that you actually need a whole truck for carrying it. It's Tatra. It's Tatra. I'm not sure is it new or is it old, because it looks like it doesn't have a number plates. Is it a new model? I think actually yes, but yeah. So I don't. Is there any interior? Can you see it? Can you? I cannot see it. And so the advantages of this type of a truck, that it's open, that anyone who is passing by can help you with fixing it. For example, I could fix something. Maybe I don't know anything about trucks. And here is the Ford Mustang GT 350. It's on a classic wheels. Oh man, yeah. These are the perfect wheels with a lot of rubber on it. Here's it on the front, and hood locks, and no headrests on the seats, and no big seats either. Back seats. I said back seats. Back seats either. Here's the steering wheel, and some fake vents. Yeah, it's actually very stylish. It's Shelby, or it's not, but the snake still is there. Yeah. And another classical car. Now it's from USSR. It's Volga. Yeah, it's 19 something 60s, and the wheel is very bad. Is in a bad shape. Here's the inside of it. It's like a classic steering wheel and classic interior. And look at the infotainment system. Here's the back with a headrest in the middle, and very classy looks. And sporty exhaust pipe. Yeah, sporty is the main word in all cars. Is it? It also has a sunroof, 2 of them. Yeah. If you like this video, please click subscribe, because I need a little bit more subscribers. I have very few of them. And yeah, this walk was almost like walk on an exhibition. Yeah.